Hello, I'm just going to run you through my IB project real quick. I'm going to start out by demoing what it is. It is a hockey stats application in which it takes all the stats from last year and reads them from a CSV spreadsheet I found. And it has all the stats. It does the same thing for goalies. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you how it sorts stuff. So say you want to click on here, assists. Say you want to sort by assists. Boom. Top assists. So you want to sort goalies by save percentage, and you also want to sort by, I don't know, points, because you want to look at both. Save percentage, sorts by save percentage right there. Sorts by points right there. So you want to sort by games played for goalies. Boom, games played. So you want to have only Boston skaters. Oops. So you only have Calgary skaters. And you want them to only be centers. You can do that. So you want to be the rest of Calgary. So you want to be all right wings in the league. All right wings. And yep, that's it. So just get rid of that. And this is my my Blue Jay. It shows everything's connected, has all my classes, and I'm just going to bring you through it real quick. Make sure you have a good understanding of what it is. I use model view controller architecture, so I'm going to be talking about that a lot. So here's my model, my stats class, which uses OpenCSV to take in players and goalies and return them as array lists. Here we too far. We read them. We can read the data, which is helpful later, and but more importantly, we sort and filter them depending on user input, as you saw before, and these are all the methods that does that. There are a lot of methods that do this. You can look more closely at their names, and they'll tell you what they do. I also use overloading sometimes, so you see things with the same name to help me test out things. It makes my life a whole lot easier. Moving on to okay, stats class, this is what it is. I just totally messed up and didn't have that displayed. Anyway, moving away from stats, we're going to go to the first view I have, which is the player view. Player view is a JPanel. This comes up. Player view is a JPanel. I don't know why this is having a seizure. Okay. It is a player view that has a constructor for the panel. It has the headers, the object data, all that stuff, and down here it populates that, which sets everything up. This is identical to the goalie view class, and the goalie view class, it's not identical. I lied. It only has one difference, which is the headers, because goalies have different stats than hockey players, position players do. And moving on to the bread and butter, looking at the controller. The controller has the action perform method, which reads all the user input, depending on where you are. See string team input, player input, goalie input, and then filters everything out. And, it'll reset things and do a whole bunch of cool stuff to make sure it all functions correctly. So, here's how everything works, by the way. Everything's interconnected, really. Their model, our three views, and then our single controller, which does its job perfectly, and then hockey stats right here, which you would void the main string of to run the program. These are, down here, more advanced sorting algorithms, which, due to time, I did not have time to implement, so those are coming later. And I look forward to growing this project, and if you're interested, you know where to find me.